Hi, I'm John Sheldon. I'm a homeowner here in South Carolina, and I'm an energy consultant at Renu Energy. We're here in the office in Charlotte, North Carolina. I went solar 4 years ago, and my wife and I had to decide if we wanted to stay on the grid, buying dirty power, or if we wanted to make a switch to solar and have clean, reliable energy on our rooftop. We did a lot of research, and through that research we discovered that making the switch to solar was a smart decision. 4 years later, I'm thanking my past self. We did it for financial reasons and environmental reasons. And as an energy consultant, every day I get phone calls from homeowners looking to do the same thing. They want to know information, and oftentimes with similar questions. At Renu Energy, we're a turnkey installer, so we like to make that path to going solar as simple as possible. We'll do everything from paperwork to installation to maintenance. We're A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau. We service Carolinas only, and we have 1,500 installations. These homeowners that I speak to every day, they're doing it for different reasons. Some of them want it for energy security, some of them want it to save money on their power bills, some of them do it for the environment, others do it because it's a good investment and helps the value of their home. Whatever your reason is for going solar, I hope that in these coming video sessions you find the information that you need to help make a smart decision. So from here, the next steps are follow us on social media, like us on Facebook to get all the updates and the fun facts still to come. And if you can't wait, you can give us a call, 704-525-6767. We would love to discuss your path to solar today. This is John Sheldon, your solar soldier, signing off.